Students, today we are going to see the topic multiplying by number 100, 200, 300 and so on up to 900. Now let's see first how do you multiply by 100. To multiply a number by 100, write two zeros to the right of the number. See some example based on this. Here I have taken few examples from the exercise 4.4 given in the question number A. Here we have to find out the product of the two given numbers. See the first example. What will be the product of 8 and 100? To multiply a number by 100, we always keep two zeros to the right of a number. Here the number is 8. So I am going to write down the number first, that is the number 8, and then I keep two zeros to the right of the number. Hence the product is 800. Coming to the second example, here we have to find out the product of 64 and 100. Now here 64 is the number which is going to be multiplied by 100, right? So first I am going to write down the number and then I keep two zeros to the right of the number. Hence the product is 6400. Now the third example, 100 into 2. Here 2 is the number which is going to be multiplied by 100. So first I am going to write down 2 and then I keep two zeros to the right of 2. Hence the product is 200. Now coming to the last example, 100 into 42. 42 is the number which is going to be multiplied by 100. So first of all I am going to write down 42 and then I keep two zeros to the right of 42. Hence the product is 4200. Now let's see how do you multiply by the number 200, 300 and so on up to 900. To multiply a number by 200, 300 and so on, we write two zeros in the ones and tens places and then we multiply the remaining numbers. See the example given in the question number B. Here we have to multiply the numbers 7 and 200. Here in the number 200 you can see at the end there are two zeros, right? So while writing the answer, first we are going to put two zeros. One will come at the ones place and other will come at the tens place. And then we multiply the remaining numbers, that is the numbers 7 and 2. Now 7 2s are 14. Hence the answer is 1400, or we can say that 1400. Now coming to the second example, here we have to multiply the numbers 15 and 400. Now first I am going to write down the two zeros at the end of our answer and then I multiply the remaining numbers, that is the number 15 and 4. Now 15 4s are 60. Hence the product is 6000. Children, if you don't know the table of 15, then you can write down the numbers in column and then you solve. Next example, here we have to multiply 800 and 7. First I am going to write down the two zeros at the end and then I multiply the remaining numbers 7 and 8. 7 8s are 56. So the answer is 5600. And now the last example, 10 multiplied by 800. First I am going to write down the two zeros and then I multiply the numbers 10 and 8. Now everyone knows the table of 10. 10 8s are 80. So here I am going to write down the number 80. Hence the answer is 8000. Likewise, you can solve the remaining examples of multiplication given in your textbook in the exercise 4.4.